Local contents, most trusted engineering, procurement and construction companies. Engineering, procurement and construction, EPC companies, help deliver the world's most complex infrastructure projects by managing every stage of development, from engineering and design to procurement, construction, commissioning, and project delivery. From power plants, renewable energy, battery storage, advanced nuclear, data centers, manufacturing facilities, water systems, transportation, and telecommunications to oil and gas infrastructure, EPC companies provide the expertise needed to deliver safe, efficient, and high-performing projects that support long-term economic growth. But not every engineering, procurement, and construction company and its local supplier, workforce, and community partners deliver the same value. For infrastructure owners, utilities, governments, developers, investors, manufacturers, and communities, choosing the right EPC partner requires more than technical expertise. The most trusted companies demonstrate engineering excellence, project execution, safety, responsible procurement, regulatory readiness, local supplier participation, workforce development, and measurable community benefits while delivering projects on time and within budget. Before selecting an EPC partner, ask 3 important questions. How will this project create opportunities for local suppliers and small businesses? What measurable workforce and community benefits will this investment deliver? How does your company engage local stakeholders while delivering safe, reliable, and high-quality infrastructure? While every infrastructure project has unique requirements, the answers reveal whether a company is simply delivering projects or creating lasting value for the communities it serves. Local content is the measurable economic value created through local suppliers, local workforce, and community benefits. Local content's most trusted engineering, procurement, and construction companies list. Part of the Local Content Most Trusted Companies program recognizes organizations that complete additional due diligence, demonstrating leadership in engineering excellence, responsible procurement, workforce development, stakeholder engagement, safety, and measurable local economic impact. Explore the Local Content Most Trusted Engineering, Procurement, and Construction Companies list, and learn how to earn Local Content certification by visiting localcontent.com/list.